Welcome to Eli's Family Kitchen, everyone. My name is Lynn. Today I'm going to show you how to tenderize tough cuts of beef with baking soda so you get tender, juicy slices of beef without a metallic chemical aftertaste. A common mistake people often make with using baking soda is that they put the baking soda in the beef marinade and then cook with it, which is what gives you that aftertaste. I'm going to show you how I tenderize beef without sacrificing on flavor. And at the end of the video, I will also tell you how to use this with any beef recipe. Let's get started. This way to tenderize beef can be used with any tough cuts of beef. What I have here is chuck roast, and this is 8 ounces of it. When you prepare beef to tenderize, you don't want to slice it too thin. So what I'm going to do here is to cut this in half lengthwise and then cut it into about a 1/4 inch thick. If you cut it too thin, if you slice it too thin, then the meat will likely fall apart when you cook it. With the beef cut, we're going to need half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to add the baking soda into 1 tablespoon of water to dissolve the baking soda. And then pour it into the beef. Just mix it evenly. The beef will absorb all the liquid. Once all the liquid is absorbed, you can set it aside for 30 minutes. If you are cooking the beef right away, you can leave it on the kitchen counter in room temperature. If you're not cooking it right away, then store this in the fridge. You can, if you have more beef, just maintain the same beef to baking soda ratio. So every 8 ounces of beef, half a teaspoon of baking soda. It's been 30 minutes, and now we need to rinse the beef in cold water to rinse off the baking soda. So we rinse this a couple of times, and then this is what rinses off the baking soda, and that removes the chemical metallic aftertaste from the beef. And then try to squeeze as much water from the beef as possible. Dry the beef on paper towel to remove the excess moisture. Pretty good. And we're done. Now the beef is ready for any kind of marinade. If you are not cooking this right away, you can store the beef in the fridge for up to 2 days. The beef is now tenderized and ready to be used in any stir-fry recipes. You will get juicy, tender slices of beef with nice beefy flavor. If you are using a recipe that calls for baking soda in the beef marinade, what you can do is to follow the instructions I provided in this video and tenderize the beef accordingly, then simply omit baking soda from your recipe. Don't forget to check out my beef and broccoli and Mongolian beef videos. I will link them in the description down below. If you try this, please feel free to leave me questions, comments, and feedback. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.